Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by getting essentials in place: your account, storage, and spending power. Once done, open the sticker interface and filter by available sources, drops, shops, and trades. Make sure to enable trade permissions and two-factor authentication so you can move items immediately. Start with low-cost purchases to unlock category progress. This feeds daily tasks. As you work, note which sticker sets require crafting versus direct purchase, because that determines whether you farm materials or budget funds first. Now you move into the complex middle. Prioritize time-limited events and seasonal shops, since those deliver rare stickers you cannot craft later. Once you have materials, follow crafting recipes exactly, combine items in the right order, and confirm quantities before committing. Make sure to monitor market trends and set maximum bid thresholds so you don't overspend. You should also split resources. Allocate some currency for instant buys and retain some for bidding wars, because opportunistic purchases often clinch missing pieces. To finish, verify every set and checklist entry. Purchase any remaining direct sale stickers and apply set bonuses to confirm completion. Once complete, consolidate items in secure storage and use escrow or verified trades for high-value transfers. Keep screenshots or receipts. If something is missing, first refresh your inventory and resync the account, then check event history for unclaimed rewards. If the sticker still doesn't appear, escalate to support with transaction ID and timestamps so they can restore lost or pending items quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.